We have a book that just came out in the fall, Unstuck Yourself, which is about thriving beyond burnout, living into true leadership, true purpose, true power, those kinds of things. And then since the fall, Meg and I have both been working on our individual work a little bit as well. I've been diving deeply into working with women in midlife, kind of reclaiming the power of what happens as we kind of move through some initiations of midlife. That's been really fun. I'm working on my next book that goes in that realm. So
solo book.
Yeah, a solo book this time, which will be is a totally different experience without Meghan. I will tell you, it's a much harder thing to do. So, but I'm really excited about that work, and I'm excited to be back here today. So thank you.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Okay.
Yeah. So all that Laura said about embodied leadership by design and getting our book out into the world and just kind of watching it do what it's meant to do is where we are with all of that. And the book is about purpose. So ours both sort of created new branches through writing and bringing it to the world. And so I've been really circling back to my activist nature, and I'm in the middle of a rebrand right now and prepping for a TEDx talk next month that's really about how we live in the space of the unknown, the space between stories without gripping for control and certainty, and actually using our creative intelligence to be creative and innovative in the face of all the challenges, personal and collective. So that's what I'm into.